Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are learning first lesson, The Tale of Benjamin Bunny. Yes children, now let us see what we have discussed in a previous class children. Yes, who went out of the village? Very good, Mr. McGregor and Mrs. McGregor. So they drive into the village, and as they went, the little Benjamin, he started visiting to his cousins, which is back of Mr. McGregor's garden. So what is the name of the cousins? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. So out of 4 cousins, who is the naughtiest one? Yes, very good. Peter is the naughtiest one. So now let's see what happens. Little Benjamin Bunny sat down beside his cousin and said, Mr. and Mrs. McGregor have gone out. Now is the right time to get back your clothes. So little Benjamin Bunny is saying to Peter that now it is the right time. Let us go to the field and bring back your clothes. Then Peter smiled a naughty smile, and the 2 bunnies walked hand in hand into the Mr. McGregor's garden. They started moving to the garden hand in hand. They saw the scarecrow, which was wearing Peter's coat and shoes and an old woolen cap of Mr. McGregor's. So as what happens here children? The scarecrow is wearing Peter's coat, shoes and cap of Mr. McGregor. Then what happens? Little Benjamin said, it spoils people's clothes to squeeze under a gate. The proper way is to climb down a pear tree. So what happens here? Little Benjamin said that it will be spoiling the people's clothes to squeeze under a gate. Now the proper way, here proper is nothing but correct. The meaning of proper is correct. The correct way is to climb down a pear tree. So how they started moving? They first climbed to a tree. The tree name is pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Then afterwards they slid down from the pear tree and jumped into the garden. Then little Benjamin said that they would first get back Peter's clothes so that they would be able to use the pocket handkerchief. So what they have decided? Little Benjamin said to Peter that we will be first taking your clothes so that we can keep and use it as a pocket handkerchief. Now what they decided, after they took the pocket handkerchief, they started saying that it had rained during the night. When Peter wore his clothes, he found that there was water in the shoes and the coat had shrunk a little. That could not be helped, they said. So what happened here? As the Peter started taking his clothes, then he started wearing. As he started wearing his clothes, he said that there was water in the shoes and the coat had shrunk. Shrunk is nothing but it became a little bit smaller. But that could not be helped, they said. Then little Benjamin suggested is nothing but idea, giving an idea to Peter that they will fill the handkerchief with onions. So they started filling the pocket handkerchief with onions as a little present for his aunt. Present is nothing but gift here children. Okay, so they started saying that we will be collecting onions in a red pocket handkerchief. As you can see here in this picture, this is a red pocket handkerchief which is filled with onions and flowers. So they wanted to give a gift to his aunt. So after they picked the onions, they plucked her a bunch of flowers. 2 things they have collected. What are those 2 things? Onions and bunch of flowers. So since they would not be able to climb the pear tree with the heavy load of vegetables, little Benjamin and Peter started walking towards the other end of the garden. As you can see here this red pocket handkerchief is full of onions and flower of bunches. So they cannot again climb to the tree. So they started moving from the other end of the garden. So they went along a row of planks. Planks is nothing but a flat or thin pieces of wood. So they started moving from that path. And there, under a sunny red brick wall, flower pots and tubs. As you can see here, one basket is there, one flower pots are there. So, and red brick wall is there. So they started moving from that place. Then little Benjamin was walking ahead of Peter when he suddenly stopped in fright. A large cat was sitting right there. They quickly hid themselves under a large basket. So what happened here, children? As they started moving from the other place, they saw that a large cat, as you can see here, a large cat was sitting right there, and they suddenly hid inside this basket. So well, children, so we will stop till here. The remaining part of the lesson will continue in the next class. So till then, take care and keep learning. Bye-bye.